Hello, everyone. I'm Ashley, the Senior Product Designer at Dyspatch, and today I want to show you our direct integration with Smartling. In Dyspatch, I have a very basic email template that I've created just for the demo purposes, and I already have my Smartling direct integration set up in my Dyspatch organization. I have my Smartling account open here so we can see what happens in both Dyspatch and Smartling as the localizations process is happening. So we'll see in my Smartling account, I'm in my Dyspatch project and I have a few locales set up. So I'm going to come into my Dyspatch template and I'm going to add a locale. So we will localize to French. And I am going to just do this one locale for the purposes of the demo, but Dyspatch and Smartling both support hundreds of locales, so you can have as many as you need for your particular audience. Once my locales are in, I'm going to click Sync to Smartling, and I'm going to name the Smartling job. So let's say 5 email testing tips. You don't have to rename your job, but it will be helpful to reference when you have many jobs in Smartling. So I will confirm the name and sync my email template with Smartling. Now we'll see my Dyspatch template is locked here in the header where it has a localizing badge. So I can no longer make any changes to this template because it is synced directly with Smartling. We'll also see that we have a job status here that says it's awaiting authorization. So now I need to go into my Smartling account and approve that job. So I'm going to do that here. Click on the Jobs tab in Smartling, and we'll see my 5 email testing tips created by Dyspatch is ready for me to authorize. So I will approve that job and click into it, and we will see it is now in progress here. So if I go back to my Dyspatch template, I'm going to refresh the page. We will see that the job is in progress now, along with a status. So at this point, again, I cannot change anything in Dyspatch as we are waiting on the localized content from Smartling. It looks like we may already have some strings that have been previously localized, so it is 50% complete by default. Smartling remembers when something has been localized, so you're not paying twice for the same string translation. So I'm going to jump into Smartling now and going to use the cat tool to manually localize this template. Going to open that up and open the visual context. So now I can see the exact same thing I would see in Dyspatch here. I can see it in Smartling. So I can translate my template in direct context of what it's going to look like. I'm going to use the machine translation suggestions and quickly fill the template out. And this one is a link on the button, so you can't see that. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this section below, and now we will see our visual context has all of the text strings translated to French. So I'm going to submit this work. Okay, we have the Smartling submit window. I'm going to submit the 5 translated strings and return to my dashboard. And we will see, if I click back into this, we will see that the job is officially complete. So at this point, I can return to my Dyspatch template. I'm going to refresh the page again. And now we will see that the job is 100% complete, and I have my French locale content in Dyspatch. So with one easy click of the Sync to Smartling button in Dyspatch, you get to leverage the powerful features of Smartling's professional translation services and leverage Dyspatch's powerful email management and no-code builder. If you have any questions or want to find out more about unlocking the Smartling integration for your Dyspatch account, please reach out to us on our support line or at any time in our handy Help Scout modal, and our wonderful customer success team will get you set up. Thanks so much. See you next time.